Hello. In a few seconds I will show you difference between pellet heating boiler to biomass heating boiler. The main difference is in fuel. We can use in our boilers not only pellet but also wood chips or sawdust or other biomass waste. It means that we can use cheapest fuel on the market in our boilers. Why is a bigger tank? Because wood chip or sawdust, we need there much more to burn than pellets. In standard version we have a simple feeding system but very effective. Please look at a feeder. You can see much bigger screw, advanced screw to provide fuel, each type of biomass like sawdust or wood chips, not only pellets. Please look for motor boxes, are much stronger and bigger than standard boiler, more advanced. We have easy access to feeding screw. Here is water protection system to the feeding screw. Cleaning doors are from both sides of the boiler, from the upper side and from the side. Control panel is easy to remote and operate. We always have anti-back protection fire system, electronic one and the water one.